Welcome to our educational channel where we can learn and play at the same time.
Let's make the best pizza ever. Choose a friend to deliver a pizza to. The wolves. Choose a pizza to make. Mushrooms. Put the necessary items into the basket. Onions. You're doing great. Cheese. Correct. Basil. Perfect. Halfway through. Mushrooms. Right. Olive oil. You're doing great. Well done. You've collected all the ingredients. Now, let's prepare the ingredients. We need to grate this. Let's cut it good. This needs to be cut. Tear off all the leaves. Great! The ingredients are ready. Let's prepare some sauce for our pizza. Now, mix the sauce. Hurrah! The sauce is ready. Let's make some dough. Good. The dough is ready. Now let's mix everything. Let's flatten it now. Hurrah! It's starting to look like a pizza. Now it's time for topping. Awesome! The pizza is almost ready. Now, let's pop the pizza in the oven. Just a little left. Tap the screen for the pizza to cook faster. Looks like it's over there. Let's find our friend's house. Hurrah! You found him. Let's hurry to our friend. Drive fast, Bear. Watch out! A stone ahead. Watch out! There's a gap ahead. We need to build a bridge. Watch out! A log ahead! Watch out! Cones ahead! Hurrah! We've arrived! Let's feed our friends. Cut the pizza in slices. Now, give everyone a slice. Good job! The pizza was delicious. Tap the present to open it. Hurrah! You've got new pizza ingredients.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated.